How to join Blox Discord server. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Discord and make sure it is up to date. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to servers at the bottom left corner and then click on this plus icon. Tap on join a server. Now in this section, all you want to do is enter Blox and then click on join with invite link. Well, now you have been invited to join Blox on Discord. All you want to do is click on accept invite. Well, you have successfully joined Blox Discord server. Simply tap on verify over here and then you will get verified. Well, in here, you will be able to see all of the people who have joined Blox. Likewise, you will be able to join any of the server that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can join Blox Discord server. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.